Yes guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to fit wind deflectors on Ford Fiesta Mk7. So let's get straight in. You take the yellow tape off. Basically you got double-sided tape in it, and then once you take it off you stick it in. You're looking like this. You put it in and you have to bend this side a bit and put it inside the groove there, and you push it up, and then I'll show you what the next step is. See, I put the clips on, 3 in each side. How it looks once you fit one side in. Now it's time to fit the rear ones in. These were quite easy to fit. Put these clips in the back over here, and then use a flat screwdriver and push it up. How it looks on one side. Now time to go along with the other side, then I'll come back to you guys later. And this is the end product, finished. Make sure to like and subscribe for more car content.